If you're looking to get more Google reviews for your business, I have got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Nice Jobs to do exactly that. Now, there is a link in the description below, which is an affiliate link and means that we get a kickback when you click on it and make a purchase. So, support the channel, click on the link and follow along. So if you go and start out over here in nicejobs.com stories, this is the page where you'll be able to manage all of the reviews that you have received. Now there's a few things that you can do to set up automatic Google reviews so that you don't have to go and work hard to bleed reviews out of your customers. It makes the process so much easier. So from here on the right hand side, this will be part of your setup process. So if you have not done this, you can go and click on basic info on the right, and here it'll allow you to add some basic info with regards to your account. The next thing you want to do is connect review sites. So this allows you to connect Google My Business, Facebook, and any one of these sites. So we are specifically looking at Google, and I have already connected mine. I am going to invite customers to leave reviews on my Google My Business. This is a fantastic way of increasing these reviews. You can now integrate other apps so that you can move your contact lists from those apps directly into NiceJob so that you can get those reviews onto your connected apps. In this case, again, Google My Business. So I've connected HubSpot, and the process is very simple. All you need to do is click on connect, for example, and you're going to click on connect here. It will now find your account. You're going to sign in with that account and you are connected. You can see here we are connected, and the things that you get here is you get automated reviews and you get automated referrals. This basically means that NiceJob does all the work for you. We can now also import a contact list, and you can have your contact list right here on NiceJob. Now, what you can do is you can import a CSV file. They also do offer a CSV template if you are not particularly familiar with building a CSV file. You can go ahead and import it right here. Once you have all of your contacts in there, you're going to get to this marketing tab. Here you get to install widgets onto your website. Now, if you do have a website, the simple process here is literally clicking on install on the right hand side on any one of these. You can see over here, Trust Badge will allow you to copy this code into your website. If, again, you are unsure or unclear on how to do this, there is a How tab which you can click on, and it'll show you the entire process. You can go ahead and click on Done once you are done. You're going to now also connect your social media, and here I've connected Facebook, I've also connected Google, and I've connected Instagram. You can manage all of these right from here, and you can disconnect them and connect them as you wish. Now you go into people on the left hand side, and here's where you manage all of your contacts and who has been invited to leave a review, as well as the people that have actually left reviews. So if you simply click on this invite button over here, it will now take this contact, send an invite to them, and this is what it can look like. You'll get an email in the inbox and it says, would you recommend in essence to a friend, or your company name? Let's go and click on oh yeah. You'll see over here that gives you the option to leave a review on Facebook as well as Google. Now, if you only have your Google My Business account available here, you'll see that Google will be the only option available. Let's go ahead and click on Google, and you'll see that it pops up over here. We're going to go and see that this window will give you that immediate opportunity to start posting. So with your customer having one click from their inbox, they can now leave you a review. They can go ahead and give you a star rating as well as leave an optional comment. They have the option to add photos and videos, and then they can click on post. This will now be on Google My Business, and you'll be able to see this on your back end as well as it being available for the public to see. There you go. On the left hand side, there is our review. And if you're doing this on repeat, you can really get tons more reviews. So grab the link in the description below and get started with Nice Job today.